Hello, this is Ripon Chapol, and in today's video, we are going to discuss about how you can make a variable product for your website. So here you are watching that a regular product, a watch product that is $19, but you want that this product will have some variations like with the colors, with the size, small, medium, or large, or color with black, yellow, or a white colors watch, or you want to sell some t-shirt here with different type of color, size, or you want to give some options to change the weight and want to show the price with that conditions. So for making that things, we will call it as a variable product. So for making the variable product, we will need to go onto the backend and we will click on here add new product, and in here I will give it a product name that will be hero watch, and I will put some description here. So this is the descriptions. And after giving the descriptions in here, the product that a simple product, we need to change it to variable product. After selecting the variable product, the price giving options will be gone from here, so there's nothing to worry about. After selecting this, you can set a general SKU version, or you can give the GTN or UPC, or you can give the stock management for this, or you can sold it individually as well. So after selecting the variable product, we need to go here to the attributes, and from here we need to you need to go here, and you can see here the name. You can add some name here, the attributes name. So suppose I want to give the attributes to color, and this color attribute I want to, as you can see here, the comment says that give a color name, then use this separator, as you can see here. So I will give suppose blue color and the separator, then I'll set it another red, then another separator, then yellow. Okay. And suppose I want to add another one with the size as well. So I'll click here with add new. After clicking add new, I will give it a name with size. So size could be large or medium large or small. So size would be like SMALL small, and then the separations, then medium, then we can set it to large, or you can name it LG or MD or SM. So as you want, you can set it like that. After that, I will click on here save attributes. Okay. After that, we need to go here in the variations tab again. Here's two options are available. One is generate variations and one is add manually. So I will show you one that how we can do it in both ways. So first of all, we will go to the easiest way, that is generate variations. If I click on here, it will give you a pop-up like this. Then we need to click on OK. Then this will generate all the variations that can be done by this. So the blue version should have a small size, the blue version should have medium size. Suppose you are not having you don't want to sell the blue version large size, so you can remove it from here. So if I delete one, then it will be gone from here. Suppose now you want to set blue version small size, you want to set an image here. So there's the options, and here I will set an image. I'll set the variation image, and I will set the SKU to watch 1. Okay, this is the SKU of this variation blue with small version, and the price that is obviously needed. So I'll set the regular price to $29, and the sale price I can set it to $20, and you can set the price stock, that is it in stock or out of stock. You can set the weight. So weight will be 100 gm, you can mention na, but here's the kg, so we need to define like that how many kgs will be the weight of this watch. You can set the dimensions here, width and height, and you can set the shipping class, and you can set some description. So I will take some description from here to make the differences. Now, if I go to the blue and medium version, Then suppose I want to choose another image here, and I also want that this one will be named SKU will be watch 2. Okay, and the price of this one, as you know, this is a medium size, so the size will be a little bit more, so the price can be increased. So this one price I will set to 39, and the sale price that we can set to 32 with some discount. As you can see here, you can set the same things as well. Now I will set a different description for this product, because this is the medium version. So I will set it, and I will skip this one, as it for now. I What we can do, we will go here and click on the publish button. Now you are ready to go na. You have already set two variations, and the other variation you just need to set the product, the size and the color and the image that you are having. So I'll view this product from here, and as you can see, the default one, this is not having an image. uh, it is having choose an option, so we can select the blue color and choose the small size. So the small size is this, and the price is, as I said, $29, and the discount price is $20. The main price is $29, and this one is $20, and the text. And if I change it small to medium, then as you can see, that also has been changed. Now if I give a refresh again, you see that this is a thumbnail that is coming blank. There is no other thing. So we need to set a default one, that this one will be shown as a default one. Okay, so we need to set the default that will be selected already. So here's the options, default form values. So I'll set it to the blue, because the blue, and we can set it to the small version. This one will be selected as a default version. So if I give an update now and give a refresh, then you see the blue and the small is selected as a default one. Now if someone choose to the medium version, then the image and the descriptions and the price of this product will be changed completely. So this way you can do that. Now we'll try to add another one with the manual version. Okay, so the variations I need to go, and here as you can see here, the blue and the large version is not here, so we'll add manually. So if I click on add manually, then you can see the blue and the size is large. We have added that, and we need to select the image as well. So I'll select the image. I will give some random SKU, some price 50, and the sale price will be like 40. And we can set it in out of stock or on back order. So I can set it to out of stock. Then we'll see that how this is looking now. And I will put some different description also for this product. Now if I click on update button and give a refresh, then if I go blue and with the large, then this one is setted as out of stock product. So client cannot add this buy this product anymore. So this way I think you can manage the variable product. So if you have any question, please comment below. I will try to answer that obviously. So thank you very much. See you in our next episode.